In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your Minecraft version. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, if you are in Minecraft, what you're going to want to do is actually exit out of it by saving your world and then exiting out to the Minecraft launcher. Now from here, you'll have the opportunity to choose Java Edition. And once you do choose Java Edition, you can actually select this installations tab up at the very top. Go ahead and select new installation and tap the version drop down right here. And you can pick whatever update you would like. I recommend choosing release versions for the most stable gameplay, not the snapshot versions, since those are essentially betas. But if you don't want to play the betas, then definitely choose those Snapchat options. Let's just say I want to do that for the example of this video. After selecting that, you could name this whatever you would like. Let's just say for video. And once you do have that made, go ahead and hit install. You'll see it start downloading down at the very bottom, and then you're going to see that version on here as well. Now you can hit play directly on here or go back to the play tab. You'll see it in your options for your things to select. So go ahead and select that, hit play, and you'll get loaded into the game. Whenever you want to swap versions again, just select it from the drop down next to that play button. It really is as easy as that, but now you can start enjoying playing any version of Minecraft that you would like. See, as you can see, this is the one technically that we just created. But yeah, if you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.